Nagaling Raman. Nagaling.
Just like that, Someone finally broke a chair. This made someone extremely surprised. Against his persuasion, someone finally agreed to join this hunt. The two ran on the road, even faster than a bus. During this time, Motok explained to someone about the differences between the levels of demons and very quickly the two arrived at the area where the demon resided.
Tagay tayo guys.
Information about the demon that she
Ganabi na
sensed
tayo
was
ng
there.
uwi.
The demon this time was only at level 1. It had not killed anyone yet, so the danger was not great. Therefore, the group split up to search for the demon's location. As it was the
Ganabi na
first
tayo ng
time,
uwi
someone was very active.
sa
When passing by a room, someone carefully
pagtitinda.
discovered an abnormality. The boy was lying unconscious on the bed, and a woman seemed to be trying to kill someone, so Moon did not wait for the seniors to arrive. He immediately used his ability to remove the iron fence on the window. At this time, Motok also ran over. He quickly pulled
Pulutan
the
nga pala
woman
natin
away.
guys
She was
yung ano,
frantically using a pillow to kill the man in front
anak
of her.
ng kanuping.
Motok read the man's memory and found out that he had just beaten the boy lying on the
Anak
bed,
ng kanuping
causing the
guys,
boy
yung
to hit his
maliliit
head
pa lang,
against the
ganyan pa
wall
lang
and become
kalalaki.
unconscious. The boy's mother, in
Kaya
order to
anak
save
pa
her
lang.
son, had beaten the man unconscious and tried to suffocate the man. The woman's face was covered with bruises, showing that she had been brutally beaten frequently. So Moon saw that the boy was no longer breathing, so he quickly used his hand
Pagpa-order
to
kasi tayo
continuously
guys, kaya
press on the boy's chest, hoping to
ginabi
save him.
tayong
After many times without
umuwi.
success,
Tayo
someone was
nagtakal.
extremely worried. Fortunately, Mayoke arrived in time. She used her healing ability to save the boy from death. Hana also discovered that the unconscious man was the demon they were looking for. Hana placed her hand on the man's chest and collected the demon's soul. So Moon saw the man's face change continuously. The evil demon in his body was destroyed. This
Medyo
battle ended
maganda-ganda naman
successfully.
nakita natin
After
ngayon
that,
dahil
a few
may
people
powder
suggested
tayo.
that someone join the counter group, become a demon hunter, and also
Nakapagtinda na
gave
tayo.
him a red uniform. Motok didn't want to wait a week anymore.
May
He wanted
kinita na tayo sa
someone to come to the
pagtitinda.
overpass to
Tapos
find
may
them the
kinita
next
rin tayo
morning.
sa
If he
order
didn't
natin.
come,
Kaya
he
medyo
would
maganda
erase
ang ating
someone's
kinita.
memory. After returning home, the grandmother was very happy to know that her grandson's leg had healed. Though she still didn't recognize him, she couldn't contain her joy. That night, Someone decided to become a demon hunter. He put his hand on his chest and went to young
Hindi nga na, ilaw.
After hearing Wei Jen explain the 3 rules of the counter, someone asked to meet his parents. Wei Jen agreed. Someone wore the red uniform that his
Huwag mo na
seniors
pakatutok
gave him.
diyan.
Then he jumped high, leaving his
Yun
own
lang.
blue handprint. The 3 bullies had their memories erased that day. They woke up and found themselves in the gym. They immediately went to question
Yan.
who dared to play such a trick.
Malabo na
As a
kasi
result,
guys ang
Someone
mata
was
ni
bullied
lolo nyo.
again, but he was no longer the Someone of yesterday. Someone took the initiative to counterattack and teach them a lesson. He also warned them to remember today's feelings. Don't
Yan.
bully anyone else in the future, or else they will get more
Pero
serious.
ito guys, yung salamin ko hindi sukat sa mata ko.
Shijuyan and Ungmen were both extremely surprised. After that, someone had to undergo rigorous training to become a qualified demon hunter. Motok explained the benefits of territory to Someone in detail. In the territory, the physical strength of a hunter will be 5 times that of an ordinary person, and the demons that enter the territory will not be able to hide themselves. Not only that, becoming a hunter will have the ability to read other people's short-term memories. Most importantly, someone needs to practice and find his own
Good evening sa
special
inyong lahat,
abilities.
guys.
For example, Hana has sharp hearing and the ability to read other people's long-term memories.
God bless
Mayoke
po.
has the ability to heal, and Motok has good strength. Everyone mentioned that Johnson killed Cho-Jung.
Kanina madaling araw, gumawa tayo.
To show someone. However, the senior's
Ngayon,
drawing skills were
bukas
really
gagawa
good.
na ulit
Someone
tayo.
couldn't help but
Napuntabi ko na ba?
so he used a pencil to sketch
Oo.
and drew a perfect portrait of Johnson.
Inaantay ko
Metal shop was the
Kung
place where
inantay ko
hunters
di,
were
wala
trained
na.
here. Someone was taught by Hana and Motok in turn. Under everyone's training, someone began to practice diligently. Not long
Nagawa na
after
naman
his
tayo
limit
bukas
was set
guys,
up,
ang
one day after
alas
school,
2 sa madaling
someone
araw
and
na
another
naman.
went on a mission. The target this time was probably a level 3 demon. It was going to suck the soul of a little girl. They had to get there.
Patay mo ngayon, meron pala rin ano. Yun o. Patay mo yun.
There, before the demon acted, the sky gradually turned dark. So Moon and everyone drove to
Madbay,
where
patay
the
mo
demon
ngayon.
appeared.
Ilaw,
After
ayun lang ang
arriving at
remote.
the scene of the incident, they found that the demon had
Madbay,
gone out of the territory,
balik mo
so
dun
it
sa
was
ano.
difficult to sense. Hana remembered that she had just seen the demon holding a chisel in her hand. So Moon guessed that the
Patayin
demon
mo,
was a
ilagay mo dun.
stonecutter. They searched online and found a nearby
Yung
stone
anak kong,
factory.
yung anak kong,
Before people
Ilaw.
hurried to the stone factory,
anak kong
Father
pogi.
Ibalik mo doon, mabagsak yan.
They took the demon in and taught him the trade, but the demon was full of negative energy. Not
Kung
used to
merong
seeing the
pogi,
poor father and
siyempre,
daughter happy all day. When everyone arrived,
merong
someone was
maganda.
asked to wait in place. Coincidentally, a
Ayan.
small piece of territory appeared next to him. Could it be that
Ayan,
someone's
akong
skill
maganda.
was to be able to control the territory at
At yung isa,
Not far away, the oven was still smoking.
magandang,
Afterwards, someone
sulit.
discovered the demon in a
Yun,
nearby
yung
warehouse.
tumatas doon na yun,
He
makulit
immediately
yun.
rushed to fight him and informed the remaining teammates. During the process of the seniors rushing over, So Moon, because he had come into contact with the demon and his memories, he discovered that the mountain climbing married couple who had been accidentally killed by the demon were the parents of the girl who had reported the missing person. So Moon witnessed the demon's crime and was momentarily panicked, so he let the demon run away. The girl was also taken away to make up for their mistakes.
Guys,
Soman and Motak
nandito
chased
na
the
lang
demon together. Soman climbed the tall tower to show Motak the location of the demon, but the demon used the
paglalay.
limitless blade to stop Motak. In the critical
Wala.
moment, Soman
Sana pa-share para naman makarating sa aking ina.
he was at a disadvantage. The demon's sharp weapon was right in front of
Tulad
Soman.
ng sinabi natin.
Territories
Marami
appeared
pa yung
around
tubig.
Soman, causing his abilities to increase greatly. He successfully reversed the situation.
Para naman
Fortunately,
makita na
senior
natin yung
stopped
ating
Ben, dalian mo, Ben!
killed the demon. The soul of the host
Baka sa
body
pamamagitan ng share
This time,
ninyo
the
eh.
demon was captured by Soman, so he
Kaya
personally led the
makapagpaabot
demon
sa
and
aking
the souls
ina.
captured by the demon to the young girl. Soman witnessed the demon being punished. He also
Hindi
promised
pa
the
po,
mountain
hindi ko pa po man i-share.
Palagay dyan sa bangko.
Eh, nagpapasalamat na po ako.
Someone watched the police solve the case, remembering that